Thank you for choosing to join us today for the Python tutorial video series presented by Digital Learn Lab. Get ready to expand your knowledge and master the use of this Python. Python is a powerful programming language that is used for a variety of tasks, including web development, data science, and machine learning. It is a great language for beginners to learn because it is easy to read and write. This video should be full watch and understand. In this tutorial, we will learn the basics of Python syntax. We will also learn about some of the most important Python libraries. By the end of this tutorial playlist, you will be able to write simple Python programs. We have general questions to discuss. First question is, what is the Python? I will mention here very basics. Python is a high-level programming language that is versatile and easy to read and write. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability and simplicity, making it a popular choice among beginners and experienced developers alike. Next is, what is Python used for? Python is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis and scientific computing, machine learning and artificial intelligence, scripting and automation, game development, Internet of Things. That's all. We are next section. Why is Python so popular? Python's popularity can be attributed to several factors. Readability and ease of use. This is very good benefits large and active community have Python provide. Fast and secure availability of libraries and frameworks. Example, Django, Flask. And versatility and cross-platform compatibility. Python's popularity can be attributed to several factors. Its simplicity and readability make it accessible to both beginners and experienced programmers. Python has been growing in popularity and remains one of the most widely used programming languages. It has a large and active community of developers and continues to evolve with new features and improvements. The last section in this video, what makes Python so powerful? That have too much reason. I will explain big things. Easy integration, extensive libraries, scalability, dynamic typing, rapid development, and community support. That all. I will post next video, how to install Python. I will give proper tutorial video. This section is almost done. Thank you so much for watching my video. We can see in the next video. Bye.